Hi, welcome to our new home. So I know we've been giving tips about moving, and this is what we have. So we just bought our brand new home here in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. So we're about to show you.
Before we show you what this beautiful house look like, first, watch this.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, my Lord. We are grateful. Oh, Lord. We are grateful, Lord.
Now let's go in, guys. Welcome to Amara's corner. Khene shouldn't hear this. Anyways, the first thing you see when you come into the home is this beautiful storage center. Quite spacious. So this is for our coats, for shoes. You know, we don't want anybody to wear shoes into the house, so you have to put it here to leave the house sparkly clean. So anytime you come visiting, because I'm inviting you all, just keep your coats and your jackets there and your shoes as well. You know, come on in. Okay, so this door leads to the basement. It's actually a 2-bedroom basement. I don't know if we're going to end up showing this place to you, but just know that this is the door to the basement. Come on, let's go in. Welcome to the first floor of the house. This door here is a room. We actually decided to make this a room for our aged parents that might be visiting us. We don't want to stress them with going upstairs all the time. So we decided to create a room here solely for them to, stay. Do you want to see inside? Come on in. We have occupants on this room as well already. This is the room. Hi, Zara. Zara, say hi. Say hi.
Hi, Zam.
She's eating. So this is the room, and it has a little storage area here, for clothes, shoes, good stuff right in here. There's nothing much to show here. Then this is like my favorite place in this house. Please forgive the whole thing. We're still trying to set up. Welcome. This is like the best place ever. It's spacious, it's nice. I love the colors. I'm not much of a color person, so I was very detailed about picking a color that would blend into white and off-white. So it's beautiful, really. The gas, there's a microwave here, the fridge. We went all out for the fridge because we wanted something that would serve our family and, just for the purpose of our family. Yeah. So we have the freezer here. It has a lot of storage area. The dish washer is here. I also, normally this house was supposed to come with one pantry. This is where you store your food items, but because I felt like it's not gonna be enough. If you're Nigerian, you know the kind of things we have. By the time I put my yam, my plantain, my rice, my beans here, it's not gonna be enough. So I requested for another pantry. You wanna see that? It came all the way to this other side. It's like the same size practically of the pantry. So if you're getting a home, you can always tell them what you want. If you don't like the size of a pantry and it's something that they can make adjustment to, they can always fix that for you.
That's if your builder allows it.
Yeah, that's why I said you can always ask for that.
Yeah.
If they allow it. Just a quick view here, nothing much here. This is like the thermostat, temperature-ish. It gives you the opportunity to connect to your phone and, set up your temp. Let's go. Living area. I love the space.
Yeah.
I love the big windows. So the living area, I think it's big. My daughter Chizam has been running
around here.
Like this place is so big for her. She loves it here. The dining set to be here. The couch, the TV. I just have the whole interior decor on my head. I know what I want to achieve in decorating this place, but let's see. We're not going to decorate one day, so I'll be putting things in place one after the other. Today you might just come and see something in our video. The next day you see something different in our video. Let's go. So this door leads to the backyard. We have our garage just at the back here. This door is like an easy access to the garage here. This is like a mud room that was created, like an empty space. They called it the mud room. We don't know what exactly is going to be here yet, but we would make plans and provisions for that. Now, this is the bath room. So whoever stays downstairs might actually be using this place. We were specific about this. We didn't want the bathtub because like I said, each parent to be staying here. We didn't want them to be struggling with bathtubs, and we've heard a lot of people fall when it comes to bathtubs. So we were looking at protecting our aged parents.
And then this was supposed to be a half bath. Yeah. And then we'll have to pay extra to make
we
it.
We actually upgraded it to make it a full bath for them. It's beautiful, really. Yeah. Okay. So now let's go upstairs. Come on, guys. This is specially, I feel like it was specially made for me. This is like the study area.
It was made for us. You should not mind that.
Like you guys know, I'm a student. I go to school, so I need to read all the time, and this is like the perfect place. I just need to set up like a table here, a chair here, and with the window when I get distracted, it's like the perfect place for a student like me. The other person is not a student. Please don't listen to him. So this is what this space is actually for.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
Okay.
So while I go, I tried to make my daughter climb upstairs here, and girl was so scared. Like, she was so scared of climbing the stairs. But I know very soon she'll be like an expert in the staircase business. Let's go. Okay, so this first room is like an empty room for now. We have plans for it, or rather, Kenechiko has plans for it.
Yeah, I have plans for that room. So you guys will be seeing very soon anyways. So yeah.
I don't want to give out the details, but whatever he decides to set it up with, I'm sure he's gonna show you guys.
Yeah.
Do you want to come in or?
Yeah. So
Okay, so this is what it looks like. It also has like it has a big cupboard in it as well.
Yeah.
It's not like we're expecting any other person, so we don't intend to have this room set up for guests. This is my baby girl's room. Adamazi. This is gonna be her room. I'm gonna set it up like a room fit for a princess. I have what I want to do in mind. She also has her own cupboard. It's quite big.
Yeah.
To set up her clothes, shoes, all the good stuff. Come on. This is the bathroom for those two rooms, but it's going to be Chizaram's bathroom. It has a bathtub, toilet for when she starts using one, for when she's old enough to brush up the sink by herself. It has good storage areas as well. Yeah. Come. We have an extra storage area here. It's quite big. This place was meant for things like toiletries, our towels, our toilet papers, whatever is gonna go in here. It's quite big, so I don't know what I'm gonna fill this place up with.
Yeah, it's actually very big. Yeah. Initially I didn't know it was this big, but when they were done, I'm like, whoa, this is quite big. So yeah,
it is.
Well, think of something to put there.
We'll put in something there. I'm very sure something is gonna come in here. Yeah. Let's go. Now this is gonna be Kenechiku's spot, I hope.
Yeah, it's gonna be. So I have an idea of what to set up here. So when I'm done, I'm gonna show you guys, right? So yeah.
But majorly, this place is like an entertainment room.
Yeah.
So when he's done, he's gonna show you guys.
Yeah.
Yep. This is the laundry room. We haven't put our washer and dryer yet. We have that coming in soon. But this is like our laundry room. They're gonna be here if we have like our laundry soaps. They're all gonna go here, and whatever else we feel it's right to be here. It's quite big as well.
Yeah.
Come on in. Now, welcome to the Madame's room. Some people will tell you it's Oga and Madame's room, but I need to clear the air. It's Madame's room.
Madame's room.
Yeah. This is the master
Oh,
bedroom.
God.
It's big, it's spacious, it's nice.
Yeah.
It's gonna be beautiful when I set it up. But yeah, this is my room. Our room, sorry, correction.
I thought you said it was Madame's room.
It's Madame's room now. This is our bath area. It has 2 sinks. It has a lots and lots of storage areas. Yep. Then it has like a standing bath.
Yeah.
Um,
So one thing I like about this bath is it has
the sitting area.
you see that sitting area?
Yeah.
Yeah. It has it,
So-
and I already imagine what I'm going to be doing there.
Please ignore whatever you hear in the background.
So I already imagine what will be happening in there. It's going to be so beautiful.
I
Yeah.
don't know what he's talking about. What? I have no idea what he's talking about. But yeah, that's the bath area. Then this is our closet.
Yeah.
It's not as big as I wanted, but I think it will do. Khene will probably have from here to here. No, from here to
So
here.
I need to zoom this in so that you guys will see. So Khene will have from where to where?
From here to here. That's like
To here.
big enough space.
And then
where-
Amara will have from
here, like this is
all
like
the way here.
my whole spot here.
Are you guys seeing?
Yeah.
I'm being cheated already.
It's Madame's room. I said it already.
It's Madame's room.
Yep.
Okay. It's Madame's room.
It's Madame's room. So yeah, this is my room.
Yeah.
Come on out. Come on out. Let's go downstairs.
Okay.
Oh, God, I can imagine what the interior is going to look like, guys. Like, it's going to be perfect. Like,
Yeah. So
extremely perfect.
when we decorate the house, we're gonna give you guys a proper tour of the house. So this is just an
like
empty
tour.
apartment tour. Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
also our real estate guy gave us this gift as a thank you for patronizing him, while our builders gave us this stuff as a thank you for working with them. Aren't they so nice? Well, our builder guy was Varun. Varun, he was amazing.
yeah.
Amazing.
So if you're in Calgary and then you want to buy a house, you can reach out to me. Okay, I'll try and leave his handle
Yeah.
down below this video. For those of you that watch on Instagram, I'll probably leave it there on Instagram. So I don't know if he's on YouTube. So, but I'll still write his name and phone number or something there so that you guys can. He's a very nice guy. So wherever you
He's chill,
want,
like,
yeah,
he's someone that even it's 11 p.m. if
I
it's
call him and he
he's
picks.
going to attend to you.
Yeah. So hopefully he gets you something as nice as ours. So yeah.
Welcome to our home. You want to stay in this channel because we'll be posting like how we're setting up. Like I said, we're not decorating one day.
Yeah.
We will gradually, decorate to the standard that we want.
Yeah.
But our next videos will be trying to set up the house to be livable.
Yeah.
Please stay with us. Watch.
Yep.
Like.
And then one more thing. So we know that we guys have been our whoa, is that the word?
It will.
For some time. And then but what we are telling you now is going forward, you're gonna see lots of content from us. Immigration, whatever, like you're gonna see our YouTube channel very well. So we're so sorry that things it's been crazy, it's been a crazy
Life
year.
is crazy.
So but we are we are on the right path right now. So we're gonna get you guys what we've always been giving
Please
you
stay
guys.
with us. Don't
Stay
leave
with
us
us.
now. You've
Don't
been here
leave
for
us.
years.
Yeah, and we appreciate each and every one of you.
Do appreciate
We
it.
have something for our followers. We'll be discussing that in our subsequent video. So you don't want to miss that. So thank you guys so much for watching.
Thank you. I think we've covered like the full tour
Yeah.
of the house.
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, yes. Did I show them here? Yeah, so this is how this place is. Yep. So she want to show my face.
So let me show you the man behind the camera.
So yeah, thank you so much, guys. It's been a wild year, like I said. So but we're so happy that we got to this stage. Amara and I have worked so hard. Trust me, we've worked so hard to get to this, to get to where we are today, and we're still working hard. So we want to thank each and every one of you that have contributed to our growth here in Canada. Even those that watch our videos, you guys have been superb. And then Amara and I discussed something for our followers on YouTube and Facebook specifically, right? So in the coming video, we'll be telling you guys what it is. So we hope that you guys watch, and then I'll see you guys in our next video. So thank you so much. My name is Khene and she's Amara.
Don't do that.
So my name is Khene and she is Amara, my lovely wife, who has been behind me. Like, you guys know I'm a truck driver, right? I always go out and she's in the house, taking care of the house, taking care of our baby. She's an amazing woman and I love her for that. So baby girl, I want to thank you so much. Trust me, I didn't want to buy a house in this country. She was one that convinced me. So and at the end of the day, I'm excited that we got one. So thank you so much, my love. And then I know I have a surprise gift for you. Like I told you, that bathroom upstairs. Oh, trust me.
Can you stop that?
So thank you guys so much, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Yeah, bye.
Bye, guys.